Understanding Vet Appointment, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a commonly used phrase in English, vet appointment. Whether you're a pet owner or just keen on expanding your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Vet appointment refers to a scheduled meeting with a veterinarian, or vet, for short. A veterinarian is a medical professional who treats animals. Just like humans go to doctors, animals go to vets for health checkups, vaccinations, or treatment when they are sick or injured. This phrase is often used by pet owners. For example, you might hear someone say, "I have a vet appointment for my dog tomorrow," or, "Can you remind me about the cat's vet appointment next week?" It's a casual, everyday phrase used in various contexts related to pet care. In many English-speaking countries, pets are considered part of the family. Therefore, regular vet appointments are important and commonly discussed. Understanding this phrase helps in grasping the cultural importance of animal care in these societies. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of vet appointment. Remember, learning a language involves not just words, but also understanding the culture and context they are used in. Stay curious and keep learning. See you in our next video.